Okay. First part over na for loop. Over or not over? First part. This part I think over na. One day gap, you'll think like Ghazni again. 4 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 days. Yeah, after class, I'll be discussing about Soladon also. Okay. After class, not now. Maybe tomorrow. Okay. This one part over, part 2. This part not over. Huh? Part 1, part 2 not over. Huh? Like I told like this one, where n value will be supposed like what? N value is supposed 3. Then what will happen here? Print I. When I say 3 here, what happens in this case here? First of all, n value 3 means what? Starting from 0. What's I value there now? 0. What will come? 0. Again, what will come? 0 na. Printing I only na. 0. 0. What will come there? The loop have been executed. So and so. Again, we'll go back to the for loop. Where what's the I again there? Now it becomes 1. 1. 1. The loop have been what now? Executed. Again, it will go back. Now it will print now what? 2. 2. 2. What will come there? The loop have been what now? Executed. Now it will again go back to for loop there? No. Because 0 to 2 have been now printed. Now it will come out the for loop. What it will print last there? Done. So this part not over. Then same part I'll be keeping now. Okay. 90%, not 90%, 9% chance of keeping the same thing there. So here, over. Yeah, this part, tell the answer of this 9 once. When I say 1, 5 means what? From where to where? First of all, from where to where? 1 to 4. From 1 to 4. Now what I told here, I into I. 1 into 1. 1. Next, 4. 9. 16. Next. That's it. Vertical or horizontal? Vertical, yes or no? Simple, vertical. Okay. Run the code once. Here. 1, 4, 9, 16. Then I can do I into I. I can even do something else. What is that something else? But again, I want same thing. 1, 4, 9, 16. How can I have? Yes. I star 2. What I'll be getting? Same thing. 1, 4, 9, 16. So sometimes in the coding rank or in the hacker rank, they'll ask like this. I want in the output like this. 1, 1, 4, 4, 9, 9, 16, 16. What I can do simply they're coding there. I can write this also. I can write print like this also. Print I into I. Or I can do I into I star 2 also. Both will give me the same answers. Where I'll be getting like this now. How? 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 9, 9, 16, 16. Yes or no? Both are giving the same answers. Yes or no? The first one concept I understood now. First one their concept here. This one. Same thing applying here also. Okay. So make a note of this one. Done. So as of now, removing this one only for understanding purpose. I kept there. Okay. Next, if I want cube, how can I have cube? Simply in place of 1, 4, 9, 16, I should get there what? 1, then 8, 27, 64. How can I get it? Again, one more time, multiply with what? I. Simple logic. Or else I star star 3. Okay. Any one way. So I multiply here what? I into I into I. Okay. What I'll be getting? 1, 1, 8, 16. No, 1, 8, 27, 64. Or I can even else do what here? I star star 3. This will also give me the same answer. Okay. So make a note of this one. So in the simple language, I'm keeping the what? I into I into I. So as you wish, how you want to write the code there. Okay. Clear? Huh? Okay. No, see while loop there. While loop we have we discussed or not discussed? Huh? No. Okay. So while loop is what? Like how you have for loop. Similarly, you have what now? While loop. If else part, I think are done. If else part. Totally what? 4 parts are there in the if else part. Okay. Now while loop is what? The most dangerous loop in the world. Okay. While loop is mostly complicated, difficult, and very dangerous. Not only in Python, in any programming language, while loop is the most dangerous. Where practically will be applying? Suppose you're opening on website there. On website, if you try to close or you try to open, you will be navigated to multiple tabs. Okay, anytime observed, multiple tabs will open, multiple pages will open. That's not while loop. Then sometimes your PC gets hanged also. Okay, and 90% programmers they try to avoid using what while loop. They try to avoid. Why? So first we'll see this part. We'll forget this part, and here we'll take suppose something just what hello only, and here I'll just keep this in comment. Suppose now one. Now just should check my 2 lines only there. How many lines? 2 lines. Which lines? 38 and 39. Now tell me, suppose if I say 2 less than 3. True or false? True. Suppose today you came and asked, suppose some other tomorrow Anish came and asked, suppose tomorrow Pawan came and asked. Will my answer change or will be true only? False. How false? Huh? Always true. No chance of becoming false. Yes or no? Different Aryabhat again, not Aryabhat or new CV Ramandir. Then only chance of becoming false. Until then, it will never become what? False. So if I say 2 less than 3, what will be your always answer there? True. Any chance of getting false? No, no. Yes or no? Now, same thing here, observe here. What I told here, I remove this equal to also for a clarity purpose. No. What I told 1 less than 10. True or false? Any chance of becoming this false? No chance. There is no chance of becoming this what? False. Because I am telling that what 1 less than 10, then only print this what? Hello. Okay, I'll print hello. But for how many times? So like what are you thinking up to 9? But here what I kept 1. 1 less than 10. Anytime you're coming and checking, coming and checking, coming and checking. Will my answer will become false any chance? First of all, this 1 will become incrementing. Will become 2, 3, 4 will become there. I did not increment only there. Not possible. Na? So always it will be what? One only. So it will never chance of becoming what? False. So it will become now what? Infinite. What it will become there? It will get printed for infinite times, and you can check the here what in terminal window. My cursor will blink there. Okay, so let me just print out there. Check the cursor there. Blinking up. Able to observe blinking. For more clarity there. So how to stop this on Control plus C? How to stop? Control plus C. Control plus C is for what? Keyboard interrupt. Keyboard interrupt. Make a note first on this one. Control plus C for what? Keyboard interrupt. And mostly these things will be using in the case of what? To make viruses, to make some kind of mischievous activity for wrong things, we doing this concept. Even for password cracking also. EC people there na here. EC. EC. How many are there EC here? Done or doing up? Over. Over. Only two. Only two. ECE, electronics and communication. Okay. Ask or don't ask, I'm thinking. Here this name RSA, not RS Agarwal, RSA. RSA algorithm. Cipher. So RS is one thing, like for security there. Cipher one thing, which will convert what, or will convert bytes to bits, all those things. Okay. Same thing here, we'll be applying with, for cracking the password, we'll be using the what in the programming purpose, we'll be using the what? While loop. Okay. Mostly we'll be using while loop, or we'll be using what? If statement. If not this password, go to this password. Try this one, try this one, try. Until you crack that password, it will go on. But suppose if I know that the password will be what number? Sometimes like what ATMs are there. ATM pin will be number only, yes or no? Up to next 2 years only again. Up to next what? 2 years. After 2 years, now mobile numbers won't be even what? 10 digits also. It will become 11 or 12 digits. Okay. After 2 years, our mobile numbers will become what? Up to 12 digits. Okay. Population growing. So 10-digit numbers are not sufficient for us. So it will become what? Up to 12 digits. And even your bank will also, because nowadays, Iran knows, they're not implemented. Why? Because in ATMs, no one going to ATMs nowadays. Only we need cash like 40, 1 lakh something, then we are going to bank. ATMs 90% not working in India. 90% will not work. 10% chance only will work. That also big brands, big branches like HDFC, Axis. SBI will never work. That's it too early, according to me. Remaining branches, namesake, that's it. Okay. Apart from these two branches, nothing, ATMs will work, nothing will be there. Same thing here also. People are having chance. In the programming, they're having what chance? To go with the for loop or go with what? While loop. 90% programmers, they choose what? For loop only. They won't choose what? While loop. Why? What is the use? Why not they have to use? They're in the Python, they're while loop, they're not there. There. But people like hackers or they want to do some kind of activity, 99% not. 100% will use what? While loop. You have to become perfect with the while loop. So same thing I'm requesting you. And these things sometimes do small programs. Now we are not doing any kind of project or something there. Are we doing any kind of project, real-time project or something there? No. Suppose working in company now. Can I take one risk? I'll print something like this. Then my systems may get even shut down also. System may get hanged also. System may get even what? Shut down also. How all these things are getting doubt now. Name. These are getting doubt now. Yes or no? But let us see now practically there. Here just I'll show short, okay? No coding part there, that much. Just I'm writing a short code there, hello only. Now in place of hello, I'll be taking there what now? N. So N I'll take from the user. Okay. So N less than 10. N less than what? 10. Now, suppose this is a part there. Okay, that's it. Nothing else. I'm printing hello. Suppose my N value now. N value is how much? Suppose my 1. Now, 1 less than 10. What is print? Hello. Again will come back. My N value got changed now there. Now again if I come back, what is my N value again there? 1 only. What will come? 1 less than 10. What will come again there? Hello. Again if you come back, 1 less than 10. Again what is print there? Hello. Yes or no? So let us have practical there now. So run the code. I'll print the value as 1 as what? N value as anything there. I can take even 9 also there. Okay. 9 less than 10. Enter. Check the cursor blinking or not blinking. Okay. Slow, not slow. I'll show you now how much slow it is. You can stop train, but you can't stop this coding. That much assurance I'll give you. How? I'll show now. Okay. So here anything's of becoming false there? No. But if I say N value as 10 there, first of all, 10 less than 10. No. So nothing is going to happen there. Nothing is going to happen. It will not go inside this while loop there now. Okay. So press in there. Anything happen there? No. Okay. Okay. Everything is fine. That you got the idea. Now suppose let us increment the value now. So what I'm doing there now? N plus equal to 1. So what happens now? Think properly now. First time, what is the value of N I have taken there? What now? 1. So 1 less than 10. What it prints? Yes, 1 less than 10. Okay, fine. Print there what? Hello. Now what I'm happening going to 40th line? What will become the N value now? 2. Yes, 2 less than 10. Correct. Print what now? Hello. So this process will go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Now it will become what now? 9. No. 9 less than 10. Yes. Print what there? Hello. Now the N value will become what now? 10. 10 less than 10. So it will print what for how many times this hello gets printed? For 9 times. How many times? 9 times. When it will print 9 times, if my N value is starting from what? 1. If my N value is starting from 1, then it will print from what? For 9 times. Yes or no? So let us see once there. So run the code. I'll pass the N value how much there? 1. Print. So how many times you got? Can you count there? Not able to count. So that's what I'm doing there. str of, I'm converting the str of what? N. I'm printing the value of N. Because you know N value how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this will better clarity. This comma will give you what? Space. So clear screen once. Now run the code. So again I'll pass the what? 1. Enter. Now getting clarity there. How many times from? 9 times. Okay. Okay, so what happened here? I am checking that while loop is having some kind of a variable there. If there is no variable, then what would have happened? Infinite times. Yes or no? Now, to make you understand completely about the while loop, I am taking the values like what now? Instead of plus 1, I am doing there what now? Decrement 1. Now, I am taking my N value. Okay, N value is what now? 9. What I have taken the N value is just what? 9. Now what will happen there? 9 less than 10. Yes or no? Yes. What will come? Hello. Space. What is the value of N? Can drive case will happen on you. N value how much I have taken here? 9. Then 1, 2, 3, something. Why? 9. Now what will happen in the 40th line? What will become the N value now? 8. Now 8 less than 10. Yes. What will come there now? Hello. Space 8. Because get the comma. Continue. Suppose the N value became what now? 1. 1 less than 10. Yes or no? Yes. What will come there again? hello space 1. Now my code gets stopped there only. No. Again it will decrement there. Now it will become how much amount now? Then now 0. 0 less than 10. What will come there? Hello space 0. Now after 0 will get stopped there. Will become stop or continue there? Continue. What will happen there again now? Minus 1 less than 10. Also true. What will come again now? Hello space minus 1. So where it will get stopped? If you tell, I'll give you something. Infinite. Now infinite times how much time? Okay. So Spider-Man comes, someone comes, okay. They'll stop the train within what fraction of seconds? Yes or no? That movie you'll see something you'll believe. Yes or no? Now let us see practically the while loop. How I told while loop is the most dangerous loop. Practically you have to see also. So as of now, this is not my system. I'm trying here. Okay. So let us see now practically. So here I'm keeping the cursor ready also. So n value, how much I'm taking there? I can take anything. Okay, 9 I'm taking there. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 will go. Okay, I'm keeping my cursor ready also. Keyboard hands ready. Control plus C. So where it went off? See there. Minus 2943 within fraction of I think 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Or if I bring Dhoni also can't stop. Because Dhoni number 1 in stumping there. So he also can't stop. I'm saying that much guarantee I'm giving you. So we have some kind of code. If it gets able to stop within fraction of seconds, also great again. Again, run the code. Suppose starting from 5 or 3, anything there. We'll never get what stopped only. So how much stop also within fraction of second only. So where it will get stopped, you only have to think. So if I just leave it there, okay, I won't stop also. I'll just leave it. Like this, you don't do in your here 32 GB RAM there. Okay, fine. When you're having 4 GB laptop or 2 GB RAM, there is a chance that your system may get water crashed also. System may sometimes water shut down itself also. Okay, so I have to stop or else system will get damaged. Okay. So you have to stop or else there is a chance that system may get water. Heating problem will happen. Unnecessary wastage of memory. Not current. Current will get free also. But here, memory important. In the case of programming, what is important? Memory. That's why your SSD cost, RAM cost is very high. Compared to your, how much you get a system? For 3K, 4K, get a system there. But when you're purchasing the SSD or something there, that cost will be very high. Compared to your cabinet, that SSD cost will be very high. How much you get for mouse? 500 rupees, 600 rupees, or 200 rupees also you can get. But can you get SSD for 100 rupees, 200 rupees, or 1000 rupees? Minimum 3.5K, 3.4K, or at least 4,500 rupees, at least I'm saying. So memory is very important in the case of our programming. Here, why we are not discussing about the memory, because in the Python, there is automatic system called as what? Garbage collection. People are having idea regarding the Java language, they know nicely about the garbage collector. Even in the Python also you have one concept called as what? Garbage collection. But no one discusses. Why? Because in the Python, first of all, can you declare any variable and leave it without assigning any kind of value? Not possible. So here automatically Python will not take only, will not consider only there. So anything which are not using, Python will first of all remove it. So automatically here we have one concept called as what? Garbage collection. Where Python will decide itself only. We don't need to write the code, all those things like Java, all those things. Automatically this concept will be there by default. Okay. But we have to not leave like these things. Okay. So here I have a small code, it is nothing happening there. But suppose you are doing some project which is of 25 lakh, 30 lakhs. Can you do like these things here? system shutdown sometime. Suppose these are not a what institute, it is now a company example. Can I try like these things, sir? No chance. You never try. If you know also, you never try. Can we trace the poison? Can you hand on the knife and check once? Will cut or not cut? Can you stand in front of train and check something will happen, not happen? This kind of experiments can you try? This sense you can't try. Because I told you perfectly there. While loop is the most dangerous loop. Shown you practical here. But if you are asking again, so do one nice program and show, then bring your laptop, then I can show. Okay. In your laptop, I can show, but here I can't show. Okay. And one more concept here. Where this will be used, by whom it will be used. This is the main concept here now. 99% not 100% used by whom? First of all, hackers. By whom? Hackers. So will they write only while loop? Huh? No. The answer is what? No. They will be applying one concept called as what? SQL injection. Yeah, injection. Not Corona injection. No, from last 30 years. Okay, SQL injection. So I don't think people are having idea regarding this one. Okay. But I can't go in depth. Just I'm saying there. Okay. So we have one concept, this one website called as what? Hacks Planning. Hacks Planning. So if you open the first one there for free, okay. Okay. People are having interest regarding these things, nonsense stuff or idiotic stuff. They can go to this website because no one can teach you these things. Will anyone teach you how to do murder, these things practically? Possible? Or even there, Sanjay Dutt here. Practically possible. Not possible, not practically. I'll cut and show. Next time you cut and show. Or not in Mirzapur. Not here only. It's not possible. So here in the case of what programming also, this is the most, which word? Security. Any company figures from one word only. The reason for hiring, removing people, privacy, whatever there, only one thing they want. What is it? Security. So here is the most important word called as what? Security. If you want to showcase your talent, anything there, you have to know regarding a few concepts like what I told you, what these things you won't understand now. But one concept called as what? SQL injection. So if you're having time, dedicating time is there, at least 2 to 4 hours time you are having nicely, then only can go this. Half knowledge, then there is something there. Example like what? Even to take corona vaccine, he giving you what? Rabbits vaccine. Dog bites, na? Dog bite, rabbits will be getting. Or suppose he gave you polio, something, some kind of injection, fever injection. Is it okay? No. Why not okay? That also injection is also injection. Okay. That vaccine different from this vaccine. Nowadays, vaccine also not working. That is just for what? Money sake that is. Okay. No one can give you guarantee. Okay. Everything for what? Money only. Money is work, money is work. That is the only thing. Same thing here. If you are having time only, then only open. Half knowledge if you prepare and do, and then do show off, khatam. You will be the first victim yourself only. Why I am not showing this one? Because it is a free here. So nothing is for free. First of all, nothing is for what? Free. If it's giving for free, so you can open and show everything here. No. If I'm giving something for free also, what I'll do in the background, I want Pawan data, this data. So what he's thinking, Pawan will be thinking, oh, sir is giving for free, so I can use nicely. But indirectly, I am taking his email ID, contact number, his address, all these things. This is enough for me. These details also what? Enough for me. To what? To do password cracking, all those things. Here also I'll be showing in the Python also, okay? But here what? This concept will be applied. So while loop they'll be using and what? SQL injection. So if you're having time only, open this perfectly study. Okay. because this will take around, depending upon the interest only. No one can eat with you. So not like this murder, all these things. But if you're having also, if you keep in the resume there, first of all, don't keep only. If you keep that, company will get doubt on you only. This fellow will hack my own company data or what? So 90% we reject only, first of all. 90% chance of what? Rejection only. Because here in India, na, all superstitious. Buying a vehicle, you have to keep lemon and that mirchi or black dory, something. So here, if you have knowledge of SQL injection also, I can't keep in my resume there. This is the most drawback. The company will feel insecure. This fellow will hack my own company and go off tomorrow. Nirav Modi. Okay, one more day na. Yesterday's news from IIT Kanpur. No one seen. Dubey, Yashraj, something. He is having 250 crores. Name how I forgot, I don't know. Something name is there. Still also knowing doing news. Okay. So like this, he see here. I can't say. Just wait for 2 minutes. Online people. Yeah, my concept over now. So we'll come back to the while loop again there. So if you're having time, only go for then what? Hacks planning. Okay. Free, everything free, but be careful when using. Not like everything will happen. Okay. That much big people you're not. I didn't say about the dark web there. Okay. Here you don't go. Okay. I'm here opening water. Tor browser that I'm able to use water. Brave browser that I'm able to use what dark web there. Okay. Nothing happens. People think what dark web is like what something kind of issue that thing, that thing, this thing, that thing. No. Only thing is what you're not able to be identified, but 90 people don't know that is this why used by whom? Army. Which army? America army. Khatam. This thing people really don't know. Simply they'll keep in the YouTube for likes, dislikes. Dark web don't use. This thing don't use. Khatam. Nothing they'll tell properly. Half news they'll tell, half news they won't tell. They build dark web to be different, to protect the data from other people. That's the only thing. Later it became what famous. Now they're using for what illegal things. Even at the Swiggy also we can do illegal things. Rapid also can do illegal things. Uber also can do illegal things. Yes or no? Understand? Transport everything there. So how can you think? So these are people behind the USA Army. People used what dark web there. Not legal something there. Okay. Okay. So again we'll come back there. Yeah, join the same link once again after 2 minutes.